Skill but no experience. Want to start freelancing from home using just your mobile or laptop? Today, I'm going to show you how to start freelancing in 2025 using a simple tool called Canva. No paid software. No complex skills. Just a drag-and-drop tool, and real income potential. What is Canva? Animated Canva logo enters with slide effect. Canva is a free online design tool used by millions of freelancers and small businesses. You can create social media posts, logos, presentations, YouTube thumbnails, and much more. Show animated icons, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. It's easy to use, and perfect for beginners who want to start offering design services online, especially on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. How to use Canva. Screen recording, canva.com homepage, animated zoom on, sign up button. Go to canva.com and sign up for a free account. You can also use the mobile app if you prefer. Screen recording, select Instagram post, template. Choose a template. For this example, I'll design an Instagram quote post. Animated arrows or text labels, edit text, change background, add icon. Customize it with your own text, images, and colors. It's all drag and drop, no design experience needed. Turn your design into a gig. Screen recording, Fiverr.com homepage, animate cursor going to, become a seller. Now, let's turn this skill into income. Go to Fiverr.com and create a free account. Then click on, become a seller and create a new gig. Show screen recording, gig title, category, description fields. Animated pop-ups, tip, use keywords like Instagram post design, Canva expert. Gig example, I will design professional Instagram posts using Canva. Set a simple price like $5 to $10. Add your sample design as a portfolio item. You're ready to go. Earning potential. Animated chart showing income going up, $5, $50, $500. Thousands of people are making money on Fiverr, Upwork, and even by directly messaging businesses. If you get just one client ordering 10 designs, you could earn $50 to $100 or more. Show sample Fiverr gigs that use Canva and their reviews. You don't need to be a pro, just deliver quality and be consistent. Where to learn more? Want to learn Canva in more depth? There are free tutorials on YouTube, Canva's own learning center, or you can ask ChatGPT to guide you through any design step. Call to action. So that's how you can start freelancing in 2025 using just Canva, a free tool, no experience required. If you want more tutorials like this, with real tools, animations, and earning strategies, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Earnify Hacks family.